Hello class, Percy here again. I decided week 3 to do a little screencast to go over a few things. If you are missing some quizzes, I need you to reach out and we find a way for you to get caught up. With that said, quizzes are a no-no for retake. So there will be opportunities for extra credits. Please, 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 please do not overlook those extra credit projects because it will go a long way to help you. So for week three, here are some of the weekly overview. If you click here, go through what is on Moodle. It tells you some of the weekly outcomes, some of what our expectations are. So please navigate through and do what is required of you. And then if you come here on the same week 3, these are the pages that you're going to be reading and put in your responses. And when you are doing your response, do not just narrate something from it. Cite the page, who you're talking about, and how it's relating to the topic in question. You can't just read a book and just write something out of what your thoughts on your, but we want to base the discussion on what we're reading and where we're picking and citing things from. So please remember that. If you come here, the lectures and activities again, Tom Madison has done this wonderfully for us. So we'll continue to do that and go through the quizzes, do listening to the lectures, do the quizzes, and so on and so forth. There will be opportunities for the extra credit that I just talked about, and that alone is worth 30 points. If you're diligent with it, you should get 30 points just by doing that. So look out, the instructions will be here. What is required of you, click on it. It basically gives a description of what is required. There are 2 due dates on this that I need you to take note. You need to do your postings this Saturday, due by this Saturday. So it gives your colleagues time extra week to comment on it. So by posting it, you get 20 points. If you respond the week after, if you respond to your other colleagues, you get another 5 points on each. You have opportunities to respond to 2. So that alone is 30 easy points that you can collect. So pay attention to what you're doing. If you're missing some grades and you want to make a grade up, this is how you make it. And then there will be other opportunities for a few grades here and there. Do not slack. This is the midterm of this particular class. So I want you to be diligent with what you're doing. Go back and check your grades, see where you are, and reach out to me, and we'll find other ways of you getting caught up. Okay. So if we go back here, so let's navigate back here to see what the extra things that we have for week 3. So week 3, once you go through all the quizzes and you've done all your tests, you come to the extra credit and do the extra credit part. Good luck with the week, what is coming up in the week. I wish you all the best, and reach out to me if you have any questions. If you wait till the last minute, I will not respond because there are other classes and students that I'm attending to. So don't come back to me with excuses. We've all been students before. So please do well to do your work, and good luck with the week, and look forward to what you post out there. Thank you.